ways to heal a broken heart after a bad relationship. Healing a broken heart isn't about forgetting who they are. It's about remembering who you are without them and moving forward. Now, it's been proven that having a breakup actually activates the same physical pain in the brain as breaking your arm. And so by the end of this video, you're going to have 5 powerful ways to rebuild yourself, and so that you can let go of the past and get the relationship you deserve. Number 1, feel it to heal it. This is not about pretending that everything's okay when it's not. It's been proven that suppressed emotions actually prolong the pain and make everything worse. Allowing you to actually feel the emotion that you're going through, validating your emotion, rewires your brain faster. When we're younger, our parents many times over have invalidated our emotions, not because they don't care, but they just didn't know any different. You spilt some milk on the floor. You were upset because you hadn't done it before. And what do a parent say? Don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. Stop crying. And this teaches us that invalidation is something that most of us experience very early on. Without the right education, without the right learning, most people, male or female, have no idea how to actually validate anyone's emotions. And when you're not validated, you don't feel heard, you don't feel seen, and you get taught to think your emotions aren't good to experience. So here's how we're going to do it. We're going to set a timer. Let yourself cry, let yourself scream, whatever you need to express your emotions so that you feel like it's getting out of you. Write it down so you viscerally connect with what you're experiencing, and then start asking yourself, why are you experiencing that? And once you've done that, go for a walk, listening to some calming music, go to the gym, and start processing the next steps in your life. Number 2, you have to go non-contact to protect your healing. Why is this the case? This is not about punishing them, it's about saving yourself. If you constantly see triggers that remind you of what you had, and you start to think about what if this and what if that, then it's going to bring you back to that emotional pain over and over again. No contact gives your brain the space it requires to detach and rebuild clarity. How do you do it? Block calls, delete old pictures, and go completely 100% no contact. It's the only way to go. You have to protect your boundaries. You have to protect who you are, because we're going to start redesigning your next steps. 3, we're going to rewrite your new story. Create a new version of yourself. This is not lying to yourself, because psychologists have proven the meaning that you define and you create because of that relationship breakup defines how you recover. When you can start to reframe and see it as a growth chapter, not a failure, you'll heal faster and stronger and be prepared for the next steps. Do this simple task. Start designing the new version of what you want to do with your life. Up until now, you've had this, the two of you, and you have to get used to just being on yourself again and starting to connect with your true passions. Make a list of the things that you've never done or you wanted to do, and for whatever reason you haven't been able to do them, maybe time, maybe your partner didn't want to do them, and you start creating your new version. I remember when I was going through a potential loss of my little dog Bambi, and I phoned up my best friend who's my business partner as well, and I said, I just don't know how to be normal. And he'd lost 2 of his parents, and he took me through this beautiful process of redesigning my new normal. And nothing is meant to stay the same forever, and that can be sad. And allowing acceptance in and growing a new version of yourself allows you to create new experiences that will start to strengthen your spirit and your soul and your personality in a whole different way. Number 4, rebuild your identity. This is not about a revenge glow up, because breakups often create an identity loss. Without them, you may not know who you are right now. Reclaiming yourself allows you to become more confident, and you step into the new self-fulfilled entity of yourself. The secret to a successful relationship is 2 partners that are self-fulfilled entity joining together. The other half is a lie. There isn't another half of you that makes you a whole. You're already whole, you're not broken, you're just going through some dark times right now. Number 5, you're going to invest into a new future. This is not about rushing into a new relationship. Some of the best studies out there have found that hope is a critical element for emotional resilience. Because when you start focusing on creating a new exciting future, then the past loses its grip on reality. Here's how we're going to do it. Just set one step that you can move yourself forward in the next 90 days. What's one big goal that you'd like to achieve in the next 90 days that would help you to move further forward? I'd love to see it in the comments. Let me know. And remember, your heart isn't broken forever. It's rebuilding itself stronger, wiser, and ready for meeting the person that matches the person that you're becoming. Hit that subscribe button for the next video, which are the secrets to why you don't need to fix them and what to do instead. I'll see you there.